introduce myself. My name is Sandi Muhammad Rafi Orera. My match Karnataka number 2. I live Jalan Marati number 1. Thank you.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for sweater in a size medium.
Let's see. Here's a nice white one. What do you think?
And I want sweater hair is black.
Okay. Here's black in a medium. What you like to try it on?
Okay.
Sudah
Yes.
50 dia masuk itu. Ya. Tidak apa-apa, ya kan itu sudah penting masuk kita. Yang ingat saja nomornya kalau sudah 0853 itu loh, anu ini.
Yes, I love. It is bread prefect. How much it?
It's $50. It will be $53 with tax.
Prefect will take it.
Kembali.
Can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a sweater in a size medium.
Let's see. Here, I either one. What do you think?
I think I'd rather have it in black.
Okay, here is black. In medium, what do you like? Like to eat the what? 3 eat 1.
Okay, yes, I love it. It feels perfectly. How much is it?
It's $50. It will 53 with tax.
Perfect. I'll take it.